Hey everybody, this is Chris and we're going to do a Mavic Mini giveaway. So this is mine, you're not getting it, but you're going to get a brand new one straight from a supplier or dealer, brand new in the box, shipped directly to you once purchased. So whoever the winner is, I will purchase the quad and it will ship directly to you from the supplier, whether that be Amazon, DJI, or whoever, whatever is best for your country. So this is not the original Mavic Mini giveaway I wanted to do on my channel when I announced I wanted to do one for 2020. This one was actually inspired by another YouTuber, and this one was all made possible by donors. Myself and 13 other donors put together the money like within 12 hours of my making the suggestion, and decided we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go with a Mavic Mini. So we raised the money and we chose the Mavic Mini. Who do you have to thank for this giveaway? You have a dirty YouTuber, and I'm not trying to bring drama or anything like that. I am just bringing awareness to something that is just very distasteful and something that is wrong as a human being, but also wrong as a YouTuber. As a YouTuber, you don't falsely make people like your videos. You don't falsely have them subscribe to your channel, and you don't do a fake giveaway that you never meant to give in the first place. So you have people jumping through hoops to subscribe to your channel, like your video, and leave a comment, and then you do a fake giveaway. So the person you have to thank for this is Jaybird Drone, and we'll just be nice and call him JTURD. And I don't want anybody to go to his channel, harass him. Don't even leave a comment. Don't just leave him alone. But I'm making sure that you know the channel, just because you'll see him floating around from place to place, and he's known to troll a little bit here and there. He's blocked from my channel for trolling. Likes to run around and tell people I troll him, but the fact is he trolled my channel and I blocked him early on when he was saying that he had the ZINO 2 back in December, and nobody on this earth had a ZINO 2, but he said he did. And that's just another thing. You say you have something that you don't have, and people are asking you to show it, and then you say, subscribe to my channel, or if I get a certain amount of views, I'll do an unboxing. That's wrong. You just don't do that. So, if I said, hey everybody, I have the new Evo, the new Evo 2, nobody else in this world has it but me. If you want to see it, you have to subscribe to my channel first, or I have to have a certain amount of views. That's just wrong. You don't do that, especially when you don't have it. He still doesn't have the ZINO 2 to this day. His unboxing for that ZINO 2 was, he had a ZINO box, or a Hubsan box, opens it up, pulls out a black bag, which was a ZINO Pro because it wasn't wide enough. And that's where the video ended. He never opened the bag, never showed the quad or anything. He said, oh, here's the ZINO 2, and video over. And I think he even turned off all the comments. So that in itself is wrong. To tell people I have to have a certain amount of likes on this video before I give you a video of me doing an unboxing, and then an F you by doing the type of fake unboxing that he did, yet still claiming that he has this quad. He did the same thing with the ZINO Pro, claimed he had it before everybody else, yet didn't show it until he actually had it when everybody else had it. So it hasn't served him well as far as subscribers, and I'm not trying to get everybody to unsubscribe because he's only got like 200 subscribers, but he's not going to go far because these are the type of tricks that he's playing early on in the game. You just don't do that as a YouTuber. If you want to be taken serious, you put out some content that people are going to take you serious on. You don't lie to them and tell them you have something when you don't have it, and you certainly don't scam them by doing a fake giveaway. How do we know he did a fake giveaway? Okay, so he does the ZINO Pro giveaway, and he picks a name out of a hat. He reads the name and holds it up. And I'm going to put a link to that video in this one. Again, watch the video just so you see. but do not leave any comments or harass him or anything like that. You can give him the thumb up or down, whatever you want, but just leave the guy alone. He's enough damage to himself and danger to himself to where nobody needs to add to that, and it doesn't need to go there. So he does this giveaway on his channel and pulls out the name, shows the name, and says you have a ZINO Pro coming to you, priority mail. And then everybody I've got a Facebook group, everybody including myself runs over to this winner's YouTube channel. And funny enough, they fly in the same park, they fly over the same river, they live across the river from each other 15 miles apart. One clever member even got his home address and the winner's home address, their real names, and found out the shortest route to the two of them is 15 miles. So they live on opposite sides of the river, if this information here is correct. And you go to each one's channel, which again, a link to each channel will be in this video. You go to JTURD's channel, see where he flies, you'll see the park, you'll even see that there's a house in this picture with like a green roof. It's not a house, it looks like maybe a VFW or a fire department or something like that, some sort of club, I don't know. But it's got a green roof on it and then like a little outbuilding, like a shed. And the same exact building is in the winner's channel. The same park is in the winner's channel. The same river is in the winner's channel. The barges, the same backdrop. All this is in the winner's channel. Both of them flying Holy Stone drones. And then the biggest thing is JTURD appears in one of the previous videos of the winner. And funny thing is, his channel being JBird, JBird Drone, in the guy's video, what do you see him doing? He's wearing the same shirt that he wore in his ZINO Pro giveaway, and he's flipping the bird. So, great guy. Great guy. Liar, scammer, and flipping the bird in somebody's video. So that's what inspired this giveaway, and what we hoped to do was have a winner from his original fake giveaway, somebody who actually honestly thought they had a chance to win a ZINO Pro. But as it turns out, there's also a lot of fake people that entered for this giveaway because so many people obviously knew that he was just going to pull a scam here. So they entered just to see if he would pull it, make it legit. And turns out everybody was right. He did not. So he did a scam. So I can't pick anybody from his original one, but what I'm going to have you do to show that you're legit is first off, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button of this video, and then all you have to do is make a video, a short little video, something that just says why I deserve to win a Mavic Mini, something that's fairly creative. You don't have to do a whole bunch of graphics and all that, but creativity is definitely going to be a bonus because we are going to be voting. Everybody that contributed for this giveaway, we're going to be voting on the winner. We're not doing a random draw or anything like that. So your best chances are you can post that video through like a Google link or a Dropbox link, but your best chances is if you have a YouTube channel. And in your video, you're going to want to say your name, where you're from, and then why you deserve a Mavic Mini, and be creative. And also be creative in your title. This isn't going to be judged, but be creative in your title. Something with the word JTURD drone in it would be good. And that's it. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a link to your video, preferably if you have a YouTube channel. That's going to show the most legitimacy. And because the last thing we want to do is give this away to some other phony YouTube name that really doesn't deserve the quad or is associated with him or anything like that. So not a lot to ask. You can simply just take your phone, do a video like this, use your camera on your computer. Quality doesn't have to be anything. It can be 720p, it can be bad audio, it doesn't matter. Just so you're creative and it's something that gets our attention to put you into the list of however many end up in the list that we vote on. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick the most creative ones, put them in a list. We have a group on Facebook that's private for all of us stoners called JTURD Scam Victims. And that's where we'll look at all the links to the ones that we pick, and then we'll vote on it. And then we're going to hopefully do a live announcement of who the winner is. And then you'll get to see some of the contributors to this, because what we'll do is we'll go live and we'll do the Brady Bunch squares, and you'll see some of the contributors, and we'll all be interacting together, and then we'll announce the winner. So I think it's fair to do it for 1 week. You have 1 week to post your video link. If you just simply leave a comment in this video, that's not going to bring your entry. You do need to post a video in order to win. So 1 week from when this video publishes is when it stops, and then we'll start looking at everything and voting and choose our winner then. So that's pretty much it. So I'll repeat one last time. And also, I just want to say, showing you the proof, when I'm done talking here, you'll see pictures, screenshots of JTURD Drone's webpage, his YouTube channel, screenshots from his videos, and you can go to his channel and see these videos yourself. And then some screenshots from the winner's channel, including the one of him Flippy the Bird, wearing the same shirt that he wore in this giveaway. So all that will be after I'm done talking. I'll pop up the pictures on the screen and you can see them. And again, the links to both channels will be in this video as well, just so you can see there was nothing legit about this giveaway and that it was just wrong. All planned and thought out to just try to get subscribers, and it really kind of backfired, but still it's wrong. And this is my way to bring awareness to nasty people like that, and also right the wrong by doing a real giveaway. So hopefully this serves as an example to him. This is how you do a real giveaway. You do good things to other people or for other people, and good things will come your way. So that's how I try to be. I try to do good things for people. I try to treat people good that deserve it, unless you cross me. And just be a good person. You don't need to scam people to get by in life. You don't need to scam people to make your channel. So put out some content that people will like, and you'll get your subscribers, buddy. And lastly, I'm just going to say one more time, subscribe to my channel, like this video, make a short, simple, creative video, make a long video, I don't care. Just so it's somewhat creative, something that grasps our attention to where we'll put it in a list and we'll vote on it, and then we'll announce the winner live. So this is one Mavic Mini giveaway. I hope to have another one in the future. I'm not making promises. It's just a goal. As long as I can get one, I will do another one. And same thing goes for the ZINO 2. Chances are always real good that I'll get another ZINO 2 to give as a giveaway. So if you do not win this one, you'll have other chances to win. Plus, I am behind on giveaways. I have a Eachine EX4 over there, a little indoor flyer, a Hubsan watch, a little tiny indoor Hubsan flyer. I have all kinds of things to give away. So I'm terrible about some of my giveaways. They pile up, but I need to take the time and just make a whole bunch of videos and do my giveaways. So you don't win this. Point is, you have a chance to win something else if you subscribe to try to win this. I'm not going to just do this one giveaway and that be it. I will continue to give you a reason to subscribe. If your only reason to subscribe to my channel is for a giveaway, then you'll have another chance. But hopefully you're here for the content as well, because I do put out good content as far as how-tos and tutorials and things like that. And, you know, range tests, and lately it's been range tests and filters and things like that for the ZINO 2, trying to make that a little better than what it actually is. So Mavic Mini basic package, $399 package, could be yours. So good luck to everybody. Thank you for watching the video. You can leave comments if you like, but the only entries are going to be ones that leave links to their YouTube channels preferably, or if you leave a link from, say, your Dropbox or your Google, or anywhere you can upload files and share a link. So that's what it's going to take. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Good luck to everybody. And if you're a YouTuber, put out good content, be nice to people, and only screw those that screw you. All right, take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.